Primetime News this evening. Security breach. Over 80% of guards sign contracts despite orders to make them permanent employees. Follow the money. Tourism Ministry to examine true impact of tourism spend in Jamaica. And respected former Chief Justice of Jamaica, Lensley Wolf, passes away.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, it's a Wednesday, so we'll be talking about the latest gas prices. And guess what? It's going down tomorrow. I'll tell you by how much in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea to Jermaine Brown. He'll tell us what's coming in sports. Jermaine?
Thank you, Herman. I'll tell you what's going down. In 2007, there was a multi-million-dollar fraud case at InSport. So we have an update on that. Charges have been laid. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
There's also before sports commentary and before that, Romaine is here with the weather. Romaine, I'm so sorry. What's happening with the weather report?
No problem, Janella. Thank you. We do have some showers expected across the island tomorrow, but thereafter, as we move into the weekend, we are expecting dry conditions across most of the area.
And of course, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What do you make of CARICOM's stance that the USA should do more to stop illegal guns coming into the region?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.